Hello students, today we will discuss few problems on electricity. Particularly when resistors are connected in combination, we will find total resistance or equivalent resistance of that combination. We will start with simple example. I have a simple example over here where the resistors are connected in series. What you can observe here, starting point A and end point is B. Now you have to decide how the resistors are connected. First, a resistance of 12 ohm, 15 ohm and 5 ohm all are connected in parallel or series S. These are in series. So in a series calculation we know the formula. Total resistance is the algebraic sum of all three resistance, and here we have R1, R2, R3. So total R, say yes, S stands for resistors are connected in series, is R1 plus R2 plus R3, and a simple calculation comes. First resistance is 12, second is 15 and third is 5. So finally we got total resistance 20, 30 and 32 ohm. So this is a simple answer. We will see another example. Look at this second question. Again you can see three resistors are there of 20 ohm, 15 ohm and 10 ohm. Again my question is that how these resistors are connected? Are they in series or parallel? By observation you may say that 20 and this 10 are parallel. Though geometrically these two resistors are parallel, you have to observe point A and B. Start with A. I have connected one resistance of 20. After, to the end of that first resistor, I have connected second resistor which is of 15. End of the second resistor, I have connected third resistor which is of ohm 10, and finally we reach at point B. Means each resistor is connected end to end. End of the first, start of the second. End of the second, start of the third. So though 20 and 10 looks like parallel, but connection is end to end, we will consider first, second and third resistors are in series. For understanding, can we draw a simple diagram for that? Yes, we have started with A, first resistor of 20, then second resistors of 15 and third resistor of 10 ohm each, and finally we reach at B. So sometime for understanding we need to simplify the given diagram, and now easily we can calculate the total resistance. R is 20 ohm plus 15 ohm plus 10 ohm. No need to write unit actually. So total comes 30, 40 and 5, 45 ohm. This is resistors are connected in series. Thank you. Now look at this example. This example where four resistors are connected in very complicated manner, and we are supposed to find total resistance of entire circuit diagram. When we say that total resistance of the circuit diagram means from positive end to negative end. So we will consider positive end as A point and negative end as a B point, and we will find total resistance from A to B. For that we are supposed to simplify this diagram because it is too complicated to understand which resistors are connected in parallel and which are in series. Let's start with positive end, say as A. Then from A we have started our journey and we found here two branches. So first branch and second branch. Now look at the first branch. In that first branch I got one resistance of 10 ohm. I reached at this point, and over there again I found two branches. One is straight and second is like this. Look at here. So one is 20 and second is again 20. But what happened? This 20 and this 20, though these 2 points are different, but they are connected to each other, means ends of these two 20 ohms are joined together, isn't it? So points are different. Look at here, 20 here, 20 end is here, but they are connected. Now what about this 30? This is second branch of 30 ohm, which joins with the end of this 20. This 20 means this end, these 2 points are same, so this joined over here, and here is the final negative end of battery, say B. So we have simplified this complicated diagram, and now easily we can understand which resistors are connected in series and which are in parallel. We'll solve it. 20 and 20 are in parallel, so first of all we will solve the combination these two. So name it R1, R2, R3 and R4. So R2 and R3 are in parallel. So what is the total combination? By solving by parallel rule, 1 by Rp is equals to 1 by 20 plus 1 by 20, that is 2 by 20, and finally it is 1 by 10. So Rp is 10 ohm. Now this combination is 10, 10 and 10 are, so R1 and Rp in series. So how much is it? R1 plus Rp, the total is 10 plus 10, together 20 ohm. Now this 20 is connected, name this as some R. Next up to 4 we have numbered R5. So R5 is 20, R5 and R4 are in parallel. So we'll calculate 1 by R total resistance, that is 1 by R5 plus 1 by R4, that 1 by 20 plus 1 by 30. This combination is cross, you can take LCM, 32 is a 60, this is 3 times plus 2 times and 5 by 60, and after reduction we will get 5 ones are and 5 ones are, 5 twos are, that is 1 by 12, and final calculation we can do as 1 by R is 1 by 12 and R is 12 ohm.